Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be explaining how the strike chain of a regula 20 movement works, not a 25 but a 20. This is what came out before the 25 did. It came out in the 50s. So I'll explain the levers first. What this little lever does is catches on this and holds the little birdie out until it can drop off and let it go back in. And this lever sets up against that and it hits a pin that's on this wheel here each time it passes by, which is interesting. And the rack and snail setup's pretty typical of what you would expect. And this little lever here has to have a spring on it to help the lock lever go back in place, or else it won't work. And it sets up against that lever and holds it up until it can drop. Sounds complicated, but it's not. Now I will try to show it in action as best I can with one hand. And let's see. Of course it's gonna be difficult. Wouldn't you know it, when I want to show it, it would do this to me. Let's try that again. Good grief. Why is it when I want to show you something that it does this? Sorry, guys. I don't know why this thing has to be like that. Helps you turn it the right way. Sorry about that. Let's try it. As you can tell, that captures it just enough. And I'll show what that pin does each time. See, it lifts it. And show you the rack part. One tooth at a time, of course. And then that releases. And it locks. And that's how that works. And the gear that lifts the hammer and the bellow lift wires, this is older, is on the inside. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, I'd love to answer them for you. Catch you later. Bye-bye.